good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 14 from verse 15 to verse 31. Jesus promised to send the Holy Spirit. If you love me for true, you going to do all of what I tell you to do. I'm going to ask my Father to send another somebody to help you, and they will do it all the time. That somebody there are the Spirit will show people the truth sitting them about God. The world and them can't take him in and make him control them life, because them not see him and them not know him. But you know him, because him live with you and I go there inside of you. Me not go left you like say you a picnic without no mother or father. Me a come back to you. Little more from now, the world and them not go see me again. But you no going see me. Can me a live, you no going live too. When the day they come, you know I go see say me live in a my Father, that uno live in a me, and that me live in a uno. The somebody when know and do me say, and them love me. My Father go love the somebody will love me. Me I go love them too. I'm going to show them who me be. Then Judas, no Judas Iscariot now, one next man when named Judas too. Ask him say, but Lord, what make we go can see you, but you now go make the world and them see you? Jesus said to him, say, if somebody love me, then that somebody there, I go do what me say them for do. My Father go love them, and the two away, I go live with them. Somebody when you love me, not do what me say. They sitting them who hear me say, I know me come up with them, and my Father, the one who send me come here. Me a say them sitting here too no, while me them amongst you know. But the helper, the Holy Spirit, where the Father going send, cause you know my follower, him I go teach you know everything, and him I go remember you know about everything me tell you know. Me a left go away, but me a go make you know have peace in your heart. The kind of peace where me have in a me heart. I know the said kind of peace you get from the world. No make your heart bad you know. I no catch you afraid. You no hear me tell you no say, me a go away and me a come back to you know. If you no love me, you no would have glad say me a go to my Father. Cause my Father bigger than me. Me a tell you no before it happen, so that when it do happen, you can believe say true me did they talk. Me nah go talk to you for much longer, cause the ruler for the world depend him we a come. Him not have no power over me. Me only do my Father tell me for do, so that the people them in the world can know say me love my Father. Come, make we left go away from that place. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.